Hey guys, Justin here with AmericanMuscle.com, and today we're taking a closer look at the Speedform True Shield Series rear cargo liner, available for all 2005 to 2014 Mustangs. Now you should consider adding the precision molded cargo liner to your S197 if you're looking to either cover up some pretty rough factory carpet in the back and clean up the look, or possibly keep your mint factory carpet looking like new by adding a non-slip layer protection, all for just north of $100. So big features here with the liner will be the thick layer of protection from the non-slip surface, an excellent fit for all coupes at home, and all backed by a limited lifetime warranty, which is always worth pointing out. Now this really is going to be a great option for the S197 owners out there who might use their rides to transport whatever in the trunk, maybe dirty car parts, tools, sporting equipment, and basically you don't want to trash the factory carpet with stains and smells and just other nasty stuff that might find its way back there. Now, on the other hand, if your factory trunk carpet has seen better days, well, it's going to be a great way and an easy way to really freshen up the look of the rear of the trunk while also adding some of the other benefits we mentioned earlier. Now the construction of the liner does consist of a high-grade, very thick thermoplastic material. It's got a nice grippy black finish here, and I will say that finish, along with some of the raised edges or ridges throughout the mat, will certainly help keep things from sliding around in the back of the car while doing your driving. Now also keep in mind here, guys, because of the durability of the liner, paired up with the higher sides of the liner itself, if things do get a bit dirty or if something does spill back in the trunk, you're just simply going to yank the liner out, hose it off, toss it back in, and you're good to go. Now the Speedform liner will also deliver a very, very nice fit, as a lot of our customers have mentioned in the customer review section. As always, check those out if you haven't done so already. And the mat or liner itself will be held in place thanks to the great fit, of course, but also with that grippy rubber surface that we talked about earlier. Now, finally, guys, the Speedform option is going to be backed by that limited lifetime warranty, and that's just there if you ever run into any issues. Now for just north of $100, the Speedform liner here for the cargo area or trunk area will be one of the most affordable on the site when we're talking about rubberized liners that are going to offer some durability and protection. You can find options, of course, like WeatherTech, Lloyd, and Husky. They will exist on the site, but those will roughly be about $30 to $50 more at least at the end of the day when compared to the True Shield option that we have here. Now on the other hand, if you wanted to go with maybe a more traditional black like plush carpet, you can certainly find that as well, but just know those aren't going to offer the same kind of protection benefits as the liner would be here. Now moving into our install, and as you might imagine, it's not really going to get much easier than this one, guys. The softest 1 out of 3 wrenches unimaginable, and maybe a minute of your time tops to get this thing in place from start to finish. Now I will say it does come rolled up in a box, so letting this thing sit in some heat or out in the sun for an hour or two, help it lay flat, is certainly going to be my recommendation. But now let's throw it to an AM customer for a quick little walkthrough of the job.
Okay, today we're installing True Shield cargo liner black from American Muscle. So it's going to come to you in this box right here. My suggestion is that you lay it out in the sun, use a little bit of weights in the corner to even it out, because it is going to be rolled up. There are no tools required for this install, but it's good to have some type of weights for the corners. So of course, take everything out of your trunk before proceeding to remove this. This is a 2011 Mustang. So inside the cargo liner, you have this right here, a pull tab. So all you do is lift this up, and you guide it out. Of course, you'll have your spare tire. So just gonna put this to the side. Got your spare tire and everything here. Notice I am holding it in the orientation that it goes into the trunk. Just like this, smaller end down. Now, just kind of fold. As I go in, here, smooth out the corners, here, and you're good.
So if you are looking for an affordable way to clean up and protect the trunk of your 05 to 14 Mustang at home, then be sure to check out this molded liner from Speedform, available here at AmericanMuscle.com.